everyone, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I will be trying out some authentic Goan cuisine, which is the fish thali and also the veg thali and the normal Kingfish Thali as well, which is everyone's favorite when you are here in Goa. So I am at this place which is called the Goan Punch, which is right behind me. It is a beautiful restaurant. It's quite new, and so I'll be reviewing the whole place and giving you complete update. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on that notification icon to get notified every time I release a new video. So let's get started. So the restaurant is located right on the way to the Agonda beach. So if at all you go this side and take your right is the Agonda beach. It's just 2 minutes away. Bar counter as well, which is really cute, so I'll show you that in a bit. You have these gorgeous tables overlooking the stream. And this is the seating area, and they have the bar counter as well. So let me just quickly show you that. And that's Suraj. Say hi.
Hi.
So you can come here and meet him, a nice chap running this place. So don't forget to come here if at all you are close to Agonda and check this place out. It's really worth coming here. What I love about this place is the greenery. So in a while I'll show you the food and also be reviewing the food and give you, updates on how is the food compared to other restaurants here. Wow, this is so beautiful. So this is the menu. They almost have everything, and especially if you are looking for authentic Goan cuisine, then this is the place that you should head to. The price range is very affordable. So you can maybe pause the video and check out all the things that they have here. So these are the 3 items that I ordered, which is the veg thali, fish thali and the special thali. So these are the prices. Since this place is new, I think they're still getting their menu ready. So most of it is handwritten. So in such an authentic way. So our food is here and it looks delicious. I'm super hungry. So we have here is the veg thali, which is Len's favorite. Lenny is super duper hungry. And this is the Kingfish Thali. So you have 2 pieces of the kingfish, and this is 250 rupees. And this the veg thali here is 120. And we have the regular thali here, which you have the the mackerel fry. So this is the special thali. It comes along with some prawn curry as well. Okay, so I'm hungry. Let's get started. So let's start. And then you're super duper hungry.
Yeah.
Wow. That's the veg gravy. Okay, so let me taste the prawns curry. Wow. This is actually good. Super. Prawns curry is amazing. I think it is one of the best prawns curry that I have tasted in Goa.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really nice. Let me taste the kingfish. Really nice, so fresh. And you get 2 pieces. So one is like the small piece and one is medium. Okay, so let's move on. This is another veg gravy, I think. It has mushrooms. It's nice too. And then you get some onions and you have these dried, shrimps. Wow. I think for me the hit here is the prawns curry. And of course the fish, the second, which is amazing. So what do you have, Len?
Well,
Oh, that's okay, you can talk.
basically I have some peas.
Yeah, so you have some.
It's really good. You have
Yeah?
to try it. Yeah.
It's the same that I have here as well. And I think you have something different here. Let me try. What is this? It's nice. It's a little spicy. The food is really, really nice. I mean, I'm enjoying it. And I'm hungry too, so I think the quantity also is amazing. Yeah, so let me taste the mackerel. Wow. Kiran's mouth is watering. Really, really nice. So while I finish off with my meal, right, so do go check out all of my other videos that I've made on food related here from Goa. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also give me a big thumbs up and hit on that notification icon. Anything else you want to say, Len? So there's a lot of
Len's mouth is full.
So there's a lot of videos that I've been making here from Palolem, South Goa, and Agonda and things like that. So do go check them out. So until we meet again, bye for now.